Common phrases with their meanings? Got it. I understand. For real. Seriously. Take care. Stay safe. Sounds good. That works for me. Hang in there. Stay strong. All set. Ready to go. I see. I understand. Keep in touch. Stay in contact. It's up to you. It's your decision. You got this. You can do it. Well done. Good job. Let's go. Let's start. Can't complain. Everything is fine. Fingers crossed. Hoping for the best. Take it easy. Relax. I'm on it. I will take care of it. Way to go. Good job. Keep it up. Continue doing well. It's my pleasure. Happy to help. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Same here. I agree. It's a deal. Agreed. Right away. Immediately. Count me in. I want to join. No worries. It's not a problem. That's fair. That's reasonable. Let me know. Inform me. I hear you. I understand your point. Nice job. Well done. You're welcome. No problem. I'm in. I agree to participate. Give it a shot. Try it. Hold on. Wait a moment. I'll be right there. I'm coming soon. No big deal. It's not a problem. Let's do this. Let's begin. Not bad. Pretty good. Take your time. No rush. I appreciate it. Thank you. Just a moment. Wait briefly. Good luck. Best wishes. What's up? How are you? Long time no see. It's been a while. Break a leg. Good luck. That works. That's acceptable. By all means, go ahead. Better late than never. It's good even if it's late. I'll get back to you. I'll respond later. Fair enough. That makes sense. It's no biggie. It's not a big deal. You're all set. Everything is ready. No rush. Take your time. Don't sweat it. Don't worry about it. Let's catch up. Let's meet and talk. Just in time, right before the deadline. I'll pass. I'll decline. It's a small world. We have mutual connections. Not a problem. It's okay. I'm all ears. I'm listening. Stay tuned. Keep watching for updates. All good. Everything is fine. In a nutshell, to summarize, it's about time. It finally happened. Piece of cake. Very easy. That's right or correct. Don't mention it. You're welcome. Let's see. I'm thinking. I'm on the same page. I agree. I'm down. I'm interested. Let's move on. Let's go to the next topic. It's up to you. Your choice. No doubt. Definitely true. Not my thing. I don't like it. Sounds like a plan. Good idea. That's the spirit. Good attitude. Let's call it a day. Let's finish for now. Keep me posted. Update me. I'll handle it. I will take care of it. Let's get started. Let's begin. Right on. Exactly. You bet. Absolutely. Easy does it. Go slowly. That's a wrap. It's finished. Good to know. Thanks for the information. It is what it is. Accept the reality. I can't wait. I'm excited. No way. I can't believe it. Same old. Same old. Nothing new. Let's face it. Let's be honest. Can't help it. I can't control it. What do you think? Asking for opinion. It's worth a try. It might work. Let's hope for the best. Stay positive. That's a good point. I agree. You made my day. You made me happy. It's up in the air. It's undecided. Let's play it by ear. We'll decide as we go. I'll keep that in mind. I won't forget. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Don't rush. It's a done deal. It's confirmed.